Konnichiwa. Hello everyone, my name is Andre, aka Pickles the Gaijin, the Jamaican YouTuber here. I'm at the Shibuya crossing, which is one of the busiest crossings in the world, allegedly. And right now, during the pandemic, it's not as busy as it should be. I've been in Japan for 7 years teaching English. And of course, because of the pandemic and the travel restrictions, Japan has been closed to foreigners. So I'm here to provide you with a little guide to things you can see or can do when you eventually get a chance to come to Tokyo. All right, so we're gonna go to the Olympic Stadium. Hopefully they let us in or let us close enough to the stadium to see it. And also show you places to go, what to eat, and some of the interesting facts about Japan. I'm trying to head to the Olympic Stadium, which is in Shinjuku. So although there will be no spectators at the games, let's see if we can actually get close enough to the stadium so you guys can get a look. All right, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so now I enter into the belly of the beast. The busiest and the largest station I think in Japan. Shinjuku. Now I'm telling some people. This place is so confusing. And huge. So yeah, this is one of the train stations that foreigners hate in Japan because it has two sides. So if you enter the wrong side, guys, you have to actually pay a fee to exit. So, yeah, so I don't know where I'm going. I'm just trying to catch the line. I'm trying to get to the Olympic Stadium. My first time trying to go there. So, bear with me here. Whew, it's going to be a long day. See you there. So, people, after all that walking, I end up at the wrong Shinjuku station. I am at Shinjuku Nishiguchi. So I have to transfer to Tochemai and then take the train back to Shinjuku, past Shinjuku, going to the station I need to go. I tell you, boy, I hate Shinjuku. I hate Shinjuku so much. Alright, we're on our way. We're on our way, guys. We're on our way out. Alright, so just exit the train station there, and I think that is the stadium. Looks like it, definitely. And this is a checkpoint. Oh, yeah, security checkpoint, police. It's legit. Alright, so how do I go closer? I think these are some of the accommodations as well. Actually, Yoyogi Park, like the back part of Yoyogi. During the pandemic, the Olympics has been postponed for a year. But this is not the first time Japan has actually postponed their Olympics. In the 1940 Olympics that was to be held in Tokyo, all right, Japan forfeited their rights to it by going to war with China in 1937. So that's nothing new with the Olympics in Tokyo. All right, guys, this is the closest we can get. So this is the Olympic Stadium. I cannot get any closer, people. The whole place is fenced off, locked off. Alright, because there's going to be no spectators this year. So yeah, as close as we can get. I ちょっと質問でいいですか？ここ全員閉まったね。全然入らないでしょ？陸上好きですか？陸上好き？オリンピックは好き？これ知ってますか？知らない？ウセイン・ボルト？知ってる？名前知ってる？顔は知らない。はい、どうも皆さん。Oh, he didn't know he's saying, oh, this is interesting. Let's see if we can have these guys here. はい、すみません、質問いいですか？はい。質問、陸上好きですね。陸上。メディアの人間ですけど大丈夫ですか？はい。これいいと知ってますか？ボルトさん。ボルトさん、何してるの？これ何ですか？俺はジャメイカの YouTube メディアのことをジャメイカで新聞で Jamaica Gleaner の新聞にコラボレーションがあって、ちょっと動画撮って誰かこの人知ってますかとか、ボートさん、あと一人、この人はわからない。一応ワールドチャンピオンシェリアン・フレイザー・プライスです。そう、ジャメイカ人の。
すごいですね。
NHK か全然入れないね。So in Japan, Japan is separated into 4 main islands, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, which includes the Okinawan Islands. And then there are 47 prefectures, which are similar to the parishes we have in Jamaica. So it's pretty big. Japan is a pretty big place, and people oftentimes do not recognize how big Japan is, but it's huge. Tokyo has a population of 13 million people, and Tokyo is actually one of the smaller prefectures in the island. So can you imagine? One prefecture has 13 million, and Jamaica's total population is about 2 million, 3 million. Yeah, crazy.